Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a day in the life / get it all done with me video. We're going to be cooking, cleaning, organizing, and prepping. I hope this video gives you guys a ton of motivation, so let's get started. And if you're new here, my name is Cindy and I'd like to say welcome. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, so don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you leave so you don't miss any future videos. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself. And now the kids are eating their breakfast and they are loving it, and they have their water to go with it. And I'm gonna have some egg and toast and a little bit of fruit on the side. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? Great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about. Today was Bella's last day of school, and her class were dancing to the song Bye 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 from NSYNC, and they were just having such a blast, and I love watching her dance to the music. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you. I can't believe the school year is over. It's definitely going to be one to remember. We cannot wait to see what the summer brings. So the girls in their room playing, and of course I have a ton of laundry to fold, so I'm going to do that right now. So one thing that I like to do while I fold clothes is put on a good show on Netflix. Today I was watching Sweet Magnolias, and so far I am loving it. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know. So what are your plans for this summer? Are your kids going to go to camp this year? I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I'll be staying home with the kids this summer. But I am going to teach them how to play the piano. We're also going to learn how to sing one full song and possibly sing it during Christmas time. We're also going to practice our Spanish too. I also purchased these workbooks from Target called Summer Bridges Activities, which we'll also be working on. So I am learning right now with the rest of our nation, listening and learning, and I want to expand our home library. I want diversity to be a part of our daily reading routine. I saw this quote, "Your greatest contribution to the universe may not be something you do, but someone you raise." And I couldn't agree more. And I want to make sure that I am raising kind human beings that love and respect everyone. So if you have any great book recommendation that celebrates diversity and differences, please let me know in the comments down below.
It's lunchtime now and the girls are having a sandwich with some carrots and chips, and we're watching the new Fuller House, which we are super excited about. And for dinner, I am making some chili, and I'm just putting everything all in one pot, and this makes it super easy for cleaning later. I first browned the ground turkey, and then I added the beans, which I just did right now. And I'm just gonna mix everything up. Now I'm just gonna put some water in here. And now I'm gonna add some frozen corn to the pot. And then I'm gonna add some tomato sauce, and I'm just using regular spaghetti sauce for this. And last, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and garlic powder. And the chili is ready. All right, so we are gonna be doing a small scavenger hunt around the neighborhood. Can I see the list that we have? Ooh, okay, so we're gonna start that right now. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bird.
Oh, you found a bird?
Yeah.
He's up there.
Where? Bird.
Bird is the first one, Mommy. So we found a basketball hoop, and they found that over there. And the girls found a flag. And the girls see an airplane. And the girls found a bug.
And it's a bee.
The girls found some flowers and a fence.
Is this the wood fence?
Yes.
Yes.
So did we get everything on our list?
Yes.
And we added some extra stuff too because you guys wanted to continue the scavenger hunt?
Yeah, but we missed, but we didn't got all the correct. We just pretend ladybug is here.
Yes, we couldn't find the ladybug, but Bella wanted to cross it off to pretend that we did.
And guys, and we got one more blank spot right here.
Yes, they want to add some more stuff on the blank spot, but we're gonna just try to enjoy this walk without looking for anything specific. Now I'm going to organize my pantry a bit. So far it's been staying pretty organized. Just a few things are just out of place, so I'm going to quickly do that right now. All right, so I was able to organize the pantry a little bit more. I put everything in its place, and I also added some more things that had some empty areas. And now it looks more clean and organized. I put the onions where the potatoes usually go. I also moved some things around over here. These are like our extra overflow in the bottom. And then I put the napkins where the paper goods go, and it looks a lot cleaner now. I'm super happy about it. I also put a lot of our overflow behind the bins too, just so that we're utilizing all the space that we can. So I have some peanut butter back there, and then over here I have some chips back there, and then over here I have some granola bars. The girls are in the other room, and I'm going to show you guys what I've been planning today. So Bella's birthday is coming up in a couple of weeks, and she wants a rainbow party. And what I usually do, I go on Pinterest or I go on Google's and go on images and just get some ideas. And I'm trying to keep it simple this year. I'm thinking about doing this little backdrop for her birthday. And then I'm thinking of also making like a fruit platter, making it look like a rainbow. It looks super cute with marshmallows. I also want to add that rainbow garland right in front of the table and some colorful plates and cups. And I am having a hard time deciding what cake I want to make for Bella. I'm thinking about this cake over here for the colorful layers, or this rainbow over here that's made out of cupcakes, which looks super cute. And then they have this cake over here. It has like colorful M&Ms and Skittles. And then this cake over here with all the sprinkles. And I am thinking about either option number 4 or number 2. So this one's option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, and then option number 4. Let me know which one you guys like the best. All right, so the kids are finally in bed. Can you guys guess what I'm about to make? As you guys can see, I have some really ripe bananas, and I cannot wait to make some banana bread. The kids are gonna be super excited and happy in the morning. I found this 5-ingredient banana bread recipe online. I'm gonna add a few things to it. I'm gonna add some salt, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. I think it's gonna be really good, you guys. The recipe asks for 3 ripe bananas, so I'm going to add this right in here. And 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Two large eggs, and 1/4 of cup of maple syrup, and a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also going to put a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a few drops of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. And you're just going to blend it until it's smooth and well combined. You guys, this smells so amazing. So I was thinking about using this bread pan over here, this little loaf bread pan, but I don't think this is gonna be big enough for that. So I'm gonna just use this pan over here, and I also wanna add some chocolate chips too. And now I'm gonna add the chocolate chips to the mix. And I'm not gonna blend this, I'm just gonna stir this with a spoon. Now it's time to pour it in the pan. And we're gonna bake this at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. You guys, this tastes so amazing. My husband accidentally flipped it over and that's why it looks flat, but you guys, it tastes really good. Definitely try this out. And I'm just gonna put all of the banana bread in here in this Tupperware and close it up, and I can't wait to show this to the girls tomorrow morning. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys had fun with me today. I'm about to sit down, relax, and watch some Sweet Magnolias and eat some banana bread. You guys, my eyebrows look so bad. I haven't gotten them done in like 3 months. I hope I'm not the only one. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, definitely subscribe, you guys. It is totally free to do so. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!
I could be driving to your place, but now the crown is